Hey guys, and welcome back to Inside Investing, and thanks for tuning in to this video. Today we're going to be discussing the most traded stocks of August 2021. So if you haven't seen this video yet, we've done this on the previous month as well. If you like this type of content, then definitely give this video a thumbs up. It helps out supporting the channel. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And also, please just comment down below any stocks that you want us to see trading in the upcoming few weeks. We're going to be expanding our portfolio as well. So if you want to see that happening, then comment anything down below that you want us to discuss. So guys, I've currently opened the website of Degiro, as you can see right here. So as part of the knowledge block part of the website, you can then very easily see the most traded stocks of August. So these are the most traded stocks by country, August 2021. So this is find out the stocks that were traded the most during August, one of which making an appearance on our map for the first time. Well, let's find out, guys. So this update is from the 2nd of August actually. So as August has ended, it is time to look back on another month of trading. For the 7th month in a row, American and European equities ended in the green. The S&P 500 set a new closing record on the last day of the month, driven by tech stocks, and ended up August by 2.9%. The Euro Stoxx 50 increased by 2.62%. And in this article, we discussed a company that made an appearance on the map for the first time and shared the August biggest winners and loser. So guys, let's find out. So this is the map of Europe, and let's have a look. So the Degiro is actually active in a lot of different countries in Europe, as you see. So let's find out which stocks are traded the most. We see still quite a lot of AMC, which of course is very good. We have Alibaba as well, right there. Let's see, Alibaba. Then we've got Degiro itself in 3 countries as well. We've got Shell, we've got Valneva. Overall, looks pretty good. Let's see, we've got a newcomer on the map. So while we've seen some companies on the map month after month, Valneva made its map debut. It was the most traded stock by our French clients and is a biotech company that focuses on the development and commercialization of prophylactic vaccines. The company claims that its COVID-19 vaccine candidate is the only whole virus inactivated adjuvanted vaccine candidate in clinical trials in Europe. So that's something about the newcomer Valneva. Then let's have a look at the biggest movements. So the companies that saw the biggest price movements during August were Valneva again, as well as Alibaba. As mentioned, Valneva's stock price soared by 77.4% last month. And Alibaba was on the losing end with a price drop by 14.45%. Alibaba's stock price has been negatively impacted this year, driven by crackdowns from Chinese regulators, as you might have heard about. So investing in Degiro, would you like to invest in one of the companies seen on the map? For all stocks trading on US exchanges, we offer a low fee of 0.5 euros plus $0.004 per share. Fees vary for all other exchanges. So that's, I think, very good. Well, at least we've seen in different last videos as well. If you need to pay for any transaction fee, then you can very easily see that during the confirmation of your order. So you'd never don't know how much you're paying for an order. You can always very easily see that. So guys, we hope you liked this one. It was a very quick one, of course, but I think it's at least good, something to have a look at once in a while. Of course, as you know, we're mainly investing in ETFs, so in broader index funds that really track a lot of different companies, especially the VWRL as well as the S&P 500, as you see, which also set a new closing record. But still, yeah, we mainly invest in ETFs. If you want to invest in any of these, I would say separate stocks, so you really just invest in a company specific, then this is at least something to have a look at, to know what's really happening in the market. So that's what we wanted to share with you today. If you like this video and this type of content, then please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one, guys. Let's go.